Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. So today's video I'll be showing you where I get all my materials from. So this material here is called doshes. So I actually make use of this material for my bow tie bag. And this other material here is called Mikado, and I'll be showing you some other materials. So please guys, make sure you watch this from beginning to the end. I'll be showing you accessories, I'll be showing you leather board, and so on and so forth. So this here is where I actually get my fabric from. This is Oshodi market, and oshodi market here in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you want to get your fabric, you can actually go to this store to get your fabric there. So this other fabric here is called crepe. You can make use of it for your bag, for your clothing and so on and so forth. You can use it for anything. You can actually use this to make a lovely bag, but I'll be making use of doshes to make a beautiful bow tie. You guys have been on my neck asking me to make this tutorial. Don't worry. Make sure you stay glued to this channel. I'll be dropping the tutorial soon. Make sure you stay glued. Tutorial of a bow tie bag. I'll be showing you the picture of this bag. So guys, this is the bow tie bag. I'll be showing you a tutorial on it soon. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch, make sure you learn from it, make sure you are able to do it more than this. So guys, this is the material I'll be getting for this particular project. This is called doshes. I'll be making use of champagne gold for this project. So I am actually getting a yard, which for a bag I'll be making use of half yard. I might not even use the half yard. I won't use it, I won't use everything, but if you want to get yours, you can get half yard. Is enough for one bag. So for my for the stone, I'll be making use of a double gum stone. You guys see how beautiful this stone looks? This is lovely stone. So please guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to get updates of every of my beautiful videos. Please subscribe. And like I said guys, on my previous video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get your ostrich feathers. I'll be doing a video about that later. I'll show you guys where you can get your ostrich feathers there in Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is B6000 glue that I use for my metal frame. You can get other things, other accessories here in Oshodi for maybe bag or for clothing, whichever one or whichever way. You can get everything there in Oshodi. So this here is mushin. Now this is a leather market, mushin, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you want to get your fox leather, which is your synthetic leather, actually you can get it here in mushin, Lagos, Nigeria market. So all these here are fox leather. So this here is this material is called velvet. This is a stock velvet. This is where I get my velvet from. This is it. This is not the this is original velvet. When you use it, when you feel it, you will see how quality, how authentic the material looks. This here is a fabric. You can actually use this to make bag as well. You can use it to make bag. It's a very, very lovely material. Very, very lovely material. This is leather padding. You can make use of this to pad your fashion bag, instead of using a leather board, you can make use of your leather padding. For the both side, this is what I am making use to. I'll be making use of my leather padding to pad up the bag. So these here are synthetic leather. They are fox leather, very very durable, and very very beautiful as well. You can get all your material, your bag materials, you can get them at Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria market. So this is the foam I make use of for my bags. It is actually a flat foam, and this is the gum that I make use of for all my projects. So you can as well get this gum to make your bags. So these are the materials I'll be making use of for my next projects. Like I'm making 10, okay, like 10 bags from all these materials here, like 2 different designs from all these materials here. So guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? You need to subscribe to Khembuzz channel. So these are animal skin. I'll be making use of crocodile, snake, different animal skin leather. So this here is called this is actually a leather used for the interior of a bag. This is a genuine lining leather used for the interior, like they sell it per sheet. It's quite expensive though, but it is very very nice. It makes your works look beautiful and very solid. So you can get this in Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria. These here are called leather board. It is actually a board, but you use it for your leather bags, you use it for your Ankara bags and all that. So I personally call them leather board. So if you've watched some of my videos and you hear me calling leather board, this is what I mean by leather board. So this here is your marco. This is a foreign marco used for bags. So I actually use this for some of my bags, corsets and so on. It's a foreign marco, very nice. And also this is my accessories shop. This is where I get all my accessories from. So if you want to get your accessory, please go to Mushin. You can get all your bags, accessories, leather board, foam, whatever thing you want to get regarding bags. Please go to Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria to get it. That is where I actually get every of my things. So guys, these are chains, bag hook. You can get anything here. If you want foreign chains, you want stock chains, you want chains that are very very durable, you want a very nice unique chain, you can get yours here. This is where I get all my accessories. Please guys, make sure you watch out for my next video. Stay glued, stay pinned to this channel. And this rope here, you can use it for your bag, you can use it for your dust bag. And we have so many, there are so many accessories here. Like I can't actually show everything. There are much accessories here for you guys to to see. This here is iron zip. Iron zip is quite expensive, but it is very very nice when you use them on your bags. It's give it that big look, it gives it that that luxury look.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Here we have our logo. We have different logo, different. Oh my gosh. You can get your bronze, your silver, your gold, whichever. You can get it here. So, guys, you just have to subscribe. I mean, you need to subscribe for undiluted tutorial. Please subscribe, like I said, and don't forget to click on the notification button for more updates. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. Thank you so much. I love you all, and God bless you. Please watch to the end. You will enjoy it. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me